Do you know how rare an NFT would be to cost $1.1 million? Did you also know that Paris Hilton owns over 150 highly profitable NFTs she bought during the dip? For this video, we will tell you how to find NFT projects early in 2022. This is for the projects that would later become major hits. Let us get started. Number 5. Discord. The future impact of an NFT project rests in its community. The value is magnificent if you have a strong community supporting the web artist or the project. Hence, finding a massive community behind an NFT project is a sign that it could be a hit. Now, how do you find the various communities? First, we present an invite-only application for community building. Discord promotes community engagement and participation in projects. Thus, artists present their work to those supportive fans on the Discord account. If you check the project-related information and development updates on Discord, you are in a better position to pick the best of the best NFT projects, invest in them, and make a positive profit. Still, on Community, this platform engages potential NFT projects like none other. You might recognize it as the incoming asset of the world's richest man. If you are looking for a digital advertising platform where early-stage NFT projects are promoted, look no further than Twitter. We will tell you how the extended link sharing helps creators reach a wider audience before they mint shortly. Number 4. NANSEN. How to find NFTs drops on Ethereum. Get into the AI-enabled blockchain analytics application called NANSEN. The application helps you identify investment opportunities that align with your interest. Furthermore, it helps conduct due diligence and personalize notifications for your portfolio. The wallet activity of your competitors could also be analyzed to ensure that on-chain behavior and transactions help you decide which new projects could be profitable. With the help of AI, you could analyze whale wallet movements for personalized positive benefits. Suppose you notice that significant funds are diverted towards a particular project on the chain. You might have to observe it as it might be estimated as higher profitability. Your portfolio will also be monitored, and proper feedback will be offered if there are dips or rises in profits. Number 3. Twitter. How to find the next big NFT? Go to what would soon be Elon Musk's social media platform. Elon Musk has lined up 19 investors to reduce his risk in the Twitter buyout. The $7.1 billion support reduces his $12.5 billion debt and loans to $6.25 billion. Further, he also has about $8.5 billion in Tesla stock and borrows against his Tesla holdings for the buyout. Therefore, little stands in his way from obtaining the social media platform at his initial $44 billion offer. Despite the ownership uncertainty, the Twitter timeline is an ideal place for web artists and developers to promote their work at the early stage. When you go onto Twitter, look out for the artist's following and interactions. It would be better to pick someone credible and respected in the community. As the project receives retweets and an increase in follower base, you can be sure that its value would appreciate when you purchase it. Moreover, you will receive project updates and schedules when connected with the creators. Have you found an NFT artist online in the past? Give us a thumb up if you have, or a thumb down if you have not yet. However, Twitter can be an overwhelming place to source for anything. An NFT could have a massive community online but fail when it undergoes a rarity test. What makes your NFT stand out and score high in subsequent resale value? That is where you need RARITY.TOOLS to evaluate the project. We will present more on this top-notch tool shortly. Number 2. NFT Calendar Website. Here is something you do not need a calendar for: subscribing to our channel. You could simply do it right now. My first interaction with finding new NFT projects was when I searched upcoming NFT projects 2021 on NFT Calendar. The calendar publishes marketplace updates on all exciting NFT projects, and they are separated into newest, past, ongoing, and upcoming NFT releases. If you want to be alerted when exciting NFT projects appear on the blockchain, you can subscribe to email newsletters. Additionally, NFT Calendar operates across various blockchains, including Ethereum, Solana, and Wax. Aside from the demand and perceived value, The platform also awards badges to verified artists and reliable drops. That way, when a person scans through the platform, they can easily spot the lucrative NFT collections. Number 1. RARITY.TOOLS. An image, audio, or animation that stands out will make the most out of resale value. If you are investing in NFT projects to also benefit from it in the future, you need to check the rarity of the art token. Celebrities like Paris Hilton have made millions for charity selling rare NFTs. Hilton told CNBN, "I see NFTs as the future of arts." The hotel heiress, who has been a social media sensation for decades, started investing in crypto when she became friends with Ethereum founders. She owns over 150 NFTs and sells her original pieces, including her $1.1 million NFT called the Iconic Crypto Queen. "I love that it gives power back to the creators," she added, speaking about the resale value. Rarity.TOOLS are excellent for determining the rate of the collectible. On the platform, the highest rarity ranks number 1, and then it follows. When you go to the Just Arrived tokens, you will see which NFT projects are organized for a potential return. As you have enjoyed this video, we will also share more on the Metaverse with you. Here is a video on the new Metaverse land craze. Why people are paying millions for Metaverse land. Hidden reasons. Watch it now.